Let's be realistic here. There's only one specific reason why you decide to click on this video, and that is to learn how to create and download your own transparent images. I've been there for a very long period of time trying to figure out and understand why all these images that I try to download on Google just doesn't seem to be 100% fully transparent. It always come with this background that it just messes up the whole transparency image, and it doesn't be fully transparent once again. That's the reason why I decided to make this video, to show you all how you guys could be able to create and download your own transparent images. So with that being said, I want to just go ahead and move forward throughout this video, because I don't want to make this video too long. Let's go ahead and get right into it. But before I do get into it, all I want to say is that please follow me on Twitch and subscribe to me on my YouTube channel if you guys didn't already. Follow me on all of my social medias that I place in the description below of this video. I stream on Twitch almost all the time. I really am active on there, and I really do look forward to growing on there. I'm currently at 1.6k followers, and you guys could be on Twitch if you want to have an active communication with me, because I love communicating with my followers, and that's something I really love doing. And I really do look forward to meeting new people on there, because I want to really build my community, and this is something that I genuinely love doing once again. So with that being said, let me just go ahead and get into the topic of this video, because that's what you guys came here for. All right, I'm back now. As you guys can see, this is where I really wanted to clearly show you guys on how to be able to create your own transparent image and be able to download them. Now, let's just say, for example, you have a project and you really want to work on it, and you want to talk about cameras, which is a camera, that I'm feeling on right now, for example. But now, though, on a realistic note, let's just say, for example, you have a project, you just want to talk about cameras, houses, stars, whatever it is. I'm just speaking hypothetically. But let's just say, for example, you really want to talk about cameras. And this is something that you really want to have right here, this picture. Now, from what I've noticed is that when I try to save it, I'm about to go ahead and save image. And you also got to be very aware of this right here. You got to be very aware of this type file, which is PNG, portable network graphics. And it's supposed to be fully transparent. And when I click on save and then I go to the image, you'll notice this transparent grid that's in the background. And this transparent grid is not supposed to be there at all. And the way to fix this problem is this right here. I like to use these websites, and there's other alternative websites that I will have placed in the description below of this video as well. I click on upload image, and then I get the image that I want, which is this right here for the project. And you'll notice that it'll instantly remove that transparent grid from within the background. And it also does this for any other images as well, not just only for the transparent grid, but it could be a blue background, red background. It'll try as hard as to the best of its ability to capture the image of the picture of what you're specifically just want to be fully transparent. And I will just click download and then click on that right there, free. And you'll notice, as you can see, that it's fully 100% transparent. This is like the most craziest thing. Well, it's not necessarily crazy, but this is like one of the most unique things that I've ever came across, that I've been doing for a very long period of time. And this is something that I've been doing for quite some time now. This is what I normally do overall in general when I'm trying to download a transparent image, because I know for a fact when I go on Google, majority of the images are not necessarily going to be 100% fully transparent. And the way people normally say that you download it is you go to tools right here, color, and then transparent. And I'm not going to promise you guys that you will come across an image on here that's going to be 100% fully transparent. You would definitely will come across some that is transparent, but if you do come across a picture that you do really want, please stick with this method. That's all you got to do. Just click on the image and just save it, and then just remove the background, just like how I showed you guys earlier in this video, and it'll fix your problem. You won't have to worry about that transparent grid, the background, or just overall in general. You don't have to worry about none of that stuff. It will literally solve your solution to make your image transparent for your project, for the thing that you're trying to do. And that's all I really want to show you guys in this video. I hope this video did help you guys out. If this video did help you guys out, make sure to please give a like, comment, share this video, and subscribe to the channel if you guys didn't already. Follow me on all of my social medias. My social medias are placed in the link in the description below this video. I am a Twitch streamer. I be on Twitch all the time. And if you guys do want to have an active communication with me, it will be an honor to meet with you guys because I really do love meeting new people. And I am really trying to grow my community on that platform. And just overall in general, I'm just trying to really grow as a person. And I really do thank you all for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. And just overall in general, I hope this tutorial did help you guys out. Again, my name is Jastruco. As always, thank you guys for watching. Peace out.